In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set keyboard shortcuts in Ticktick. Whether you're a productivity enthusiast or just someone looking to streamline your workflow, keyboard shortcuts can be game changers. They help minimize the clicks and maximize efficiency, letting you focus on what truly matters, getting things done. So, let's dive right in and see how you can modify existing shortcuts in the Ticktick desktop app. First things first, you'll need to open up the Ticktick desktop application. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Here, you'll notice a small question mark icon. This is your gateway to a variety of helpful resources and settings, including the shortcuts we're interested in. Give that icon a click and a menu will pop up. Among the options listed, you'll want to select Shortcuts. This will bring up a dedicated window that displays all the available commands and their current shortcut keys. The Shortcuts window is your main work area for this task. It provides a comprehensive list of commands, each accompanied by their designated shortcut key. Some of these keys are set in gray, indicating that they cannot be altered. However, you have plenty of flexibility to modify the rest to suit your personal preferences. Now comes the fun part: changing the key combinations. To do this, simply click on the shortcut key for the command you want to update. You'll notice that this action activates the cell, allowing you to input a new key combination directly. Think about what combination will be most intuitive for you and easiest to remember in the heat of the moment. Once you've decided, press the new key combination you want to use. It's as simple as that. The command will now be associated with your preferred shortcut keys, making your Ticktick experience even more personalized. A quick tip when setting these shortcuts: try to keep them consistent with what you're already comfortable using in other applications. Consistency will help reduce any learning curve and make your transition to using the new shortcuts seamless. Remember, the goal is to enhance your productivity, not add extra complexity. And there you have it. The process of modifying shortcuts in Ticktick is as straightforward as that. Optimizing your shortcuts can significantly cut down on time spent navigating through options and menus, allowing you to focus on ticking off your tasks efficiently. So go ahead, experiment with different combinations, and find what works best for you. I hope this guide makes your time with Ticktick even more effective. Stay productive and happy task managing.